Welcome to Noyau Daily, your daily briefing on what matters in tech. It's Thursday, January 15th, 2026. Welcome to Noyau Daily. Today we're diving into some eye-opening trends in tech, including the surprising rise of senior-level skills in entry-level roles, community ethics in project relocations, the enduring strength of vanilla JavaScript, a game-changing tool for data analysis, and the top tech trends every developer should be aware of this year. Let's get started. First up, have you noticed that entry-level developer roles seem to be demanding skills that were once the domain of seasoned pros? That's right. The bar for what constitutes an entry-level position has climbed significantly. According to a recent article on dev.to, companies are increasingly looking for candidates who can hit the ground running with frameworks, tools, and even advanced coding practices that used to be expected from senior developers. What does this mean for you? First off, it's time to evaluate your skill set. If you're looking to break into a new role, assess whether you meet these rising expectations. Continuous learning and upskilling have never been more critical. Online courses, coding bootcamps, and even open-source contributions can help you stay competitive in a job market that's evolving at breakneck speed. The key takeaway? Don't just rest on your laurels. Invest in your skill set to keep pace with these changes via Dev.to article. Moving on. Next, let's talk about a heated debate sparked by the relocation of a tech project from a predominantly white area to a rural Black community. This situation has raised serious ethical questions about transparency and community engagement. Timnit Gebru recently shared her thoughts on this, highlighting the importance of involving communities in decisions that directly impact them. As engineers, we have a responsibility to consider the broader implications of our projects. How do they affect local communities? Are we engaging with those who will be impacted? It's crucial to prioritize transparency and actively involve all stakeholders. This isn't just about ethics, it's about building trust and ensuring that technology serves everyone fairly. So, as you embark on your next project, take a moment to evaluate its impact and ensure that ethical practices are at the forefront of your decision-making. Reported by Timnit Gebru. And now, let's clear the air. Vanilla JavaScript is alive and kicking. Rumors of its demise are greatly exaggerated, as some developers have speculated it's being replaced by frameworks like React and Vue. But a recent analysis, aptly titled "The Death of Vanilla JavaScript," suggests otherwise. Vanilla JavaScript remains a vital part of the web development landscape. It's lightweight, efficient, and doesn't come with the overhead of additional libraries. For many developers, especially those working on performance-sensitive applications, understanding how to leverage vanilla JavaScript can lead to significant improvements. So before you jump headfirst into the latest framework, take a moment to reevaluate the role that vanilla JavaScript can play in your tech stack. Staying informed about JavaScript trends will certainly help you make more strategic development decisions going forward. From the death of vanilla JavaScript. Next up, if you're dealing with visual data, listen up. There's a new tool from TensorLake called Agentic chart extraction that's transforming how we handle visual data. This tool automates the conversion of charts and graphs into structured data formats, making it much easier to analyze and integrate this information into your workflows. For engineers, this means a significant boost in efficiency. Imagine being able to extract actionable insights from visual data without the manual hassle. This tool can streamline your data processing tasks, allowing you to focus on analysis rather than data entry. It's a game changer, especially for those in data-heavy roles. So if you're not already leveraging tools like Agentic chart extraction, consider integrating it into your existing data workflows to enhance accessibility and analysis. This is how we stay competitive in an increasingly data-driven world, via Agentic chart extraction announcement. And finally, to wrap up today, let's explore the top tech trends shaping the developer landscape in 2026. A recent Fireship video highlights a few key shifts that every developer should keep an eye on. First, the influence of AI and robotics is set to transform the job market, so it's essential to prepare for these changes. Additionally, emerging fields like quantum computing and wearable AI are gaining traction. These areas present unique opportunities for developers willing to adapt and innovate. Staying informed about these trends is crucial if you want to remain competitive and seize new opportunities. As always, the tech landscape is in constant flux, so make sure you're positioned to thrive in whatever comes next. From Fireship Video. That's a wrap for today's episode of Noyau Daily. Stay informed and agile in this fast-paced tech environment. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and updates. That's all for today's Noyau Daily. If you found this helpful, subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. See you tomorrow.